Hello everyone. So we'll discuss on the plumber block part number 2, that is cap. As you can see in the diagram, so there are two views are provided for a cap, front view and top view. So I'll refer the front view and top view. I'll start from the front view. I'll go to sketch. With respect to sketch, I draw two center lines. It's for my reference. As you can see, the circles are different, that is at a distance of 6 mm from the base. So that is the reason I just measure 6 mm from the base point, and the distance it is 22, that is half of the 44. Now I am going to draw a circle. The circle one diameter is you can see one is radius is 36, another one is 19. So 19 into 2 will be 38 diameter, another diameter is 72, 36 into 2. Now with respect to the axis, I just joined it here, then I am going to measure it. The distance is 12. You take some random length and join it. Now assign the dimension. This is 12 and here is given 10. Okay, so repeat the same procedure towards right side. I just took random line, again I will assign the dimension. This is 12, this should be 10, and the entire length is 44. This is very important. 44 is the length. Then I'll join it. Now I am going to trim it. You can delete the lines which is not required for you. Now you can see still some of the lines are blue color. So I am going to make it as a completely constrained by assigning the dimension. Now I will assign one of the dimension from here to here. So let it be around 15. Same thing I'll assign. You can take any random length, 15. This is 36. Okay, now we can see it is fully defined. So come out from the sketch and you can extrude for a length of 36. Extrude for a length of 36. Next, select this face, go to sketch, and you can draw a circle of diameter 43, sorry, radius 43. 43 radius means diameter will be 86. It is 18. Still it is blue color. What's our intention? We need to make it as completely constant to convert into black color. Now you see it is converted into black color. Now I need to add the material. As you can see, this much portion we need to add. When you see from the top view, it's like curved surface. So for that is the reason I am just adding a material. After this I am going to trim it. Okay, again it is fully defined. So if it is under defined, you can assign the dimension. So come out from the sketch and you can go to features, extrude it. So extrude on reverse way, and we know the distance is it's 10. Now I added. Now we need to do a 2 holes, that is 10.5 mm. Go to sketch. I am using a center line again for my reference. I just draw a center line. for my reference, and I'm assigning the dimension. It is 18, and we know the holes at a distance of 62. Okay, and when you calculate from one of the end, that is what we use axis, so it will come under 9. How it will be 9? I'll explain you. So total is 62. 62 minus 44 will be 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So here I need to draw a circle of diameter 10.5. Circles of diameter 10.5. Same thing, I'm repeating here also 10.5. Now it is fully defined. Come out from the sketch. Now I'll go to cutout. Yes, I'm doing the cutout option. Okay, so we need to repeat the same procedure. There are 2 holes again. With respect to this, I'll draw another circle of diameter 24. You can see the radius 12 is there, so diameter will be 24. Repeat the same procedure, 24. Okay, again come out from the sketch, go to features, extruded cut. The hole is on not this particular direction, above. I am done with this. Next we need to do a hole. You can see in the front view, dia 6 is there and dia 3 is there. So in order to draw the dia 3, I'll take the bottom plane, go to sketch, I draw again I'll use a reference line for my reference, and again this is in the middle. Okay, now the circle is exactly in the center and the diameter is 3. So come out from the sketch, go to features, go to extruded cut. Now you can do it for entire length, not blind, through all, because one is 3, another one 6. No, that is the reason I took entire 3, entire length. Now I need to do a dia 6. For that I'll take another plane from here. You can go to plane and you can calculate, by the way. So what could be the distance? The distance is 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 plus 10 will be 28. So 28, and the radius is 36. 36 minus 28. 36 minus 28. And the length is 8 mm. Okay, as you can see, it is at a distance of 8 mm, the curved surface. So in this plane I am going to draw a sketch. So what is the sketch? The sketch is nothing but a circle of dia 6. So exit the sketch, go to features, go to cutout, and you can assign the depth is clearly mentioned 10. Say OK. So I am done with the second part.